Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. Due to ataxia, I cannot drive, which I am working towards, and I don't talk normal because my voice and brain are not synced together. Both of which have led to me unable to work. Because of poor muscle control due to ataxia, typing on a keyboard is extremely difficult. I am slowly getting better at everything, and every morning I do vocal warmups, and throughout the day I do voice exercises. Even though I can be very hard to understand, I still do voice exercises every day. Remember, if you don't use it, you'll lose it. I start with vocal warmups, which you see. I do these vocal warmups a total of 5 times for each one as demonstrated. I noticed if I don't complete the vocal warmups, my voice is even worse. In some cases, I sound like a suffering goat, smiley face.
My, mo, mo. My, mo, mo. My, mo, mo.
Because I have trouble projecting my voice out with my mouth, I do projection exercises with the M sound as demonstrated.
Ma, may, mom.
Going back to projecting my voice, I complete sentences that emphasize the letter M as demonstrated.
More movies. Must make a mess. March for email. Mark my mailbag. Make maple malt. Me marketers mumble.
After I complete my vocal warmups, I read 2 pages from a book out loud. I ensure I read multiple times a day out loud. Usually when I complete my walks, since I'm sitting anyway. Thanks to speech therapy, which I highly recommend on getting if you have the same issue as me, will be able to help. For me, my main issue that they pointed out was I am not controlling my breathing correctly. Thanks to speech therapy, I'm working on breathing techniques.
In order to make the project its own, Joe decided it should no longer be codenamed after Raskin's favorite apple. In various interviews, Josh had been referring to computers as a bicycle for the mind. The ability of humans to create a bicycle allowed them to move more efficiently than even a conductor, and likewise the ability to create computers when multiplied to efficiency of their minds.
As I said in my first video, you would hear how I talk. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.